Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by going straight to display or brightness settings. Don't waste time on general menus. Once there, look for labels like night light, blue light filter, or eye comfort. If you're on mobile, swipe down for quick toggles. On a PC, open settings system display. Make sure your device isn't in low power mode because that can hide automatic scheduling options, and keep screen brightness at a normal level so color changes are obvious as you proceed. Now you'll fine-tune how the filter behaves. Move the color temperature or strength slider to a warmer tone until the display looks comfortable. This reduces blue wavelengths that disrupt sleep. Next, enable scheduling. Choose sunset to sunrise for automatic changes or set custom start and end times if you keep irregular hours. Make sure to inspect app-specific permissions so video or photo apps aren't forced into unnatural colors. If necessary, create exceptions for color-critical work and save your settings before continuing. Finish by saving or confirming the changes and then test the screen. Open a white page or photo to notice the warmer hue. Once done, cycle brightness up and down and open a few apps to confirm consistency across interfaces. If you need the filter less aggressive, nudge the slider back slightly. If it's too weak, increase it. Troubleshooting tip: if the filter won't enable, restart the device first. Then check for system updates or display driver updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.